Hello everyone. I'm Abhishek, and today I will be demonstrating my internship project at Crescent Solutions as a QA intern. And my task is to work on this OrangeHRM project to automate the test cases for admin module and employee module. So these are the manual test cases for it, and I'll be also executing same in the automation code. So this is the first test case I'm going to test. That is the with the invalid credential. We need to try to log in that website, and then on the second case we will go for with the valid credential. We'll try to log in, and we'll check that the dashboard page is appearing, or are we facing any issues while providing the valid credential. And then we will test for employee test case. We'll log into the Orange HRM, navigating to the PIM module where we can add employee and fill the details such as like first name, last name, and then we will also upload a profile picture from local PC to check whether it's accepting profile picture or not, and we'll click on save, and verifying that pop-up message. It should pop up like employee successfully saved, and then we will go for adding that created employee as an admin. We will provide admin privileges to that newly created employee, and we'll also make a user ID and password for that employee to log in as an admin, and we'll also verify that pop-up message. Then we'll log into the Orange HRM with the newly created admin, and we will verify that we have logged in the created user what we have created with the user ID and password. And then we will log in as default admin, and we will delete from the admin privileges that newly created employee from the admin privilege. And then we will create that employee record, and from the database that will be ending of our admin and employee module. So let's execute that from first. Let's manually execute it. So I'll open that website Orange HRM. uh, as you can see, we have let me also open Eclipse IDE because it will take some time to open it. So we'll log in with the valid first invalid credential. I'm only providing password as 123 and try to log in it. It should show error. As expected, invalid credentials. So now we will log in with the valid credentials, admin and admin 123. Sorry, I think something is issue. No worries, we'll again try. Sometimes this website also shows error. So finally, we are in the dashboard, and we'll go to the PIM module to add one employee. We'll click on add employee. We'll choose one profile picture. For example, I'm taking this Doraemon picture, and I'll provide name as Deepak Kumar with the default given employee ID, and we'll click on save, and we'll verify this pop-up message here. It will show successfully saved. Yes. Then we will go to the admin module. Then we will add, selecting the role as admin, searching the employee name Deepak Kumar, and even after just doing this, we'll select username as Deepak one only. Then in password, we'll provide Deepak123. Deepak123. We'll click on save. Successfully saved. Now we will log out from default user, and we will log in as a newly created admin. as Deepak1 username with the password as Deepak123. Yep, we can see the dashboard here with the Deepak Kumar as admin. So we'll log out. As we successfully verified, we are able to log in using the newly created admin. Now we will log in as default admin and we will delete that record from admin and same similarly from employee also. So first we'll click on admin. We'll search for the user using the username Deepak1, role as admin, status as enabled, employee name as Deepak Kumar, search. Now we'll delete it. Now we'll also go to the PIM module to delete that particular employee from employee list. So we'll search here Deepak Kumar, employee ID as Deepak1. Employee, no need, just we'll search with the employee name and employee ID. So I think there is some issue. Yeah, we're able to locate by Deepak Kumar. We'll click on delete. Yes, successfully deleted. So this was the whole scenario of manually executing it. Now we will execute it using the automation. Let's go to our. So this will be continuation of showing the automation and running that automation script for Orange HRM. Similarly, we did for manual testing cases. We executed manually, and now we will execute the same process in automation. So let's run this code. Test ng. So window opened, and it will first take us to the login page. We will first we will provide the wrong credential, then the correct credential. So we have logged into the dashboard. We will click on PIM and add employee. We'll fill the details. We'll choose the profile picture for employee, and it should successfully say we'll verify this message here, and then we'll assign that as admin with username and password, the same created employee. Now we'll log out and log in the same employee username that we have just generated. We'll log out from there and we'll log in as default admin. And from admin panel, we will remove that employee from admin privilege. Successfully, we can see we have deleted that record. And now we'll also delete that employee from our employee database. So we have searched and it just got successfully deleted. Then we will log out and here we will end our test cases. So we can see there are total 7 test cases are there and all of them passed. Adding the admin, adding employee, login with the created admin and search created employee and delete it and do login with the invalid credentials. So basically these are in not in correct format, but all of them have been passed. I've given the priority, so based on the priority it will execute those test cases first. So first we did with the invalid credential, then with the valid credential, and then adding employee, and then we have gone for adding as admin, and then login with the created admin, and then search created admin and delete it, and similarly deleting that employee from the database. And then we are I have called this logout and I've made this login and logout function here, and I've called at the end. Like this is the tear down process, which actually will log out from the browser and will close the driver and quit the browser. That was all for the demonstration of my project. Thank you.